Danko bafethu. So after my good performances laphana kaThembi Nkosi Lodge laphana ku-FIFA Club World Cup amagame ayi-2 udlale neManchester City against iJuventus. So uThembi Nkosi Lodge uyabonakalisa ngempela ukuthi uyisuperstar nanokuthi iquality likhona, akasaba ukudlala noma adlala nama-best teams in the world abo Manchester City nabo Juventus yabo. So ama-speculation already lapha ku-social media ama-fans like ayakhala athi uThembi Nkosi Lodge kumele abuye kuBafana Bafana because sekaziprovile yabo. Nami I can support the statement ukuthi kumele abuye kuBafana Bafana because Mamelodi Sundowns besimbona ukuthi akadlali but waba nama-injury yabo. But since edlala laphana eMorocco udlala kahle kakhulu, even elikini yaseMorocco sewina ama-man of the match mhlawumbe awu-3 na unamagoli awu-3 this season, uyawashaya nama-assist, highly influential laphana ethimini yakhe, uposter boy laphana uCasablanca yabo, uyi-superstar le team, uyi the biggest star laphana. And esikhumbula ukuthi le team lena ifuna ukumkhipha uLodge ukuthi imnike lapha i-long term contract yabo. So but-ke they're still negotiating neMamelodi Sundowns, like Mamelodi Sundowns ekuthiwa ifuna khona ama-millions ngama-millions, but sobona ukuthi season mayiphela noma makuphela iFIFA Club World Cup ukuthi indaba kaLodge izophela lapha ngempela because he's linked with different teams. After i-performance yakhe, ama-performances wakhe agood kangaka uFIFA Club World Cup, siyacabanga ukuthi nemali kaLodge iyakhuphuka, but-ke next month uLodge uzoba na 32 if angenzi iphutha. Sobona ukuthi imali abazomthengisa ngayo from iMamelodi Sundowns because une-contract ukuthi izoba ngakanani yabo. So linda sibukele sibheke. There was a time laba mlinka neKaizer Chiefs, but it's gonna be very difficult to tie kuKaizer Chiefs because siyadlala eNorth Africa. eNorth Africa kunemali serious nanokuthi mawudlala eNorth Africa ubhekwa ama-teams amaningi from all over the world, njengoba siyazi-advertisile futhi nakuma big league around emhlabeni. Sesithemba ukuthi umfana bazomthatha laphana ku-Saudi Arabia bafethu bamnika imali serious yabo. So kuBafana Bafana for sure akekho umuntu odeserve kuba kuBafana Bafana njengoThembi Nkosi Lodge bafethu, akabuye kuBafana Bafana after ama-performance aso, after asibonisile iquality elingaka bafethu. Sonke besazi ukuthi uThembi Nkosi Lodge uyalazi ibhola, but iningi lethu siyalazi iqiniso ukuthi eSouth Africa was too relaxed, bekabona ngathi uye maybe he stopped working hard, but manje kuFIFA Club World Cup uphinde wasibonisa ukuthi why uThembi Nkosi Lodge important kangaka ebholini lase South Africa. Danko bafethu.